In this video, I am going to discuss another sum of admission of partner. Here, Shivani and Bhavani are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Jamini into partnership as 1/5 share of the profit as on 31st December 2013. So they have the liabilities with their capital, general reserve and creditor, and they have the assets like goodwill, plant and machinery, furniture, investment, stock, debtor and cash. Jamini brings 40,000 and goodwill for 15,000. So he bring capital 40,000 and goodwill for he bring 15,000. Partners agreed to share in profit in future in the ratio of 5:3:2. So we have to calculate sacrifice ratio to distribute the premium for goodwill. Investment will appreciate by 20% and furniture depreciated by 10%. One customer who owed of rupees 2000 become insolvent and nothing could be realized from him. So it becomes bad debt. Creditors will be written off of rupees 2000. So it should be write back, and outstanding bill for repair it is created in the liability side for 1000. Interest accrued on investment 2000. So it is an accrued interest on investment. Capital of the partners shall be proportionate in their profit sharing ratio. For this, adjustment be made through cash. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the firm. Now see how to solve this type of problem. First we do the revaluation account. By investment 4000 because it increases its value. By creditor 2000 because 2000 should be write off. And by accrued investment it is unrecorded asset, so it is 2000. Furniture reduces the value by rupees 1500 and there is a bad debt, it is 2000, and outstanding bill of repair, that is the new liability included, it is 1000. So total of the credit side becomes 8000. If we make the balance in the debit side, we find it 3500, which represented the profit on revaluation. It is distributed among the old partners in the ratio of 3:2, so it becomes 2100 and 1400 respectively. Okay. Now see the partners capital account. It is started with the buy balance BT, that is the opening balance of capital, 60,000 for the first partner and 50,000 for the second partner. Then we transfer the revaluation profit from the revaluation account. It is 2,100 for the first partner and 1,400 for the second partner. Then we distribute general reserve among the old partners in the ratio of 3:2. Again it is 6,000 and 4,000. Now we already have one balance sheet in our old balance sheet. So we write off this amount of goodwill among the old partners in the ratio of 3:2. So it is 2 goodwill. We write up the value of goodwill of 5,000 in the ratio of 3:2. So it is 3,000 and 2,000. Okay, the new partner bring the capital of rupees 40,000. So by cash account it is 40,000 in the new partner's capital column. Now the premium for goodwill it is distributed among the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Now see how we calculate the sacrificing ratio. That is old ratio minus new ratio. Shivani has the old ratio 3/5 and the new ratio is 5/10. So it resulted 1/10. In case of Bhavani also 2/5 minus 3/10, it again resulted 1/10. So sacrificing ratio is 1:1. So we distribute the premium for goodwill of 15,000 among two partners in the same proportion, that is 7,500 and 7,500. So it is our accounting treatment. Now they suggested that the partners capital should be adjusted according to the profit sharing ratio. So total capital of the firm on the basis of the new partners capital, that is 40,000 into 10 by 2. 40,000 into 10 by 2, it becomes 2 lakh. Because new partner share is 2/10, because new share is 5:3:2. So the new partner, that is the last partner share, is 2/10. As we find out the total capital of the firm, so it should be 10/2. So 40,000 into 10/2, the total capital becomes 2 lakh and it is distributed among the partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. So 2 lakh into 5/10, the first partner's share is 1 lakh, second partner's share is 60,000 and the last partner's share of capital is 40,000. So it is the capital of the new balance sheet. So in case of balance sheet, we put down the balance amount, that is 2 balance CD. It is 1 lakh for the first partner, 60,000 for the second partner and 40,000 for the last partner. Now we make the total. Now we make the total of the both the side. In case of last partner 40,000 both side, so there is no balance, okay. But in case of first partner, we make the total of the debit side, it becomes 1,03,000. And in case of first partner, we find out a shortage amount of 27,400 in the credit side. This amount should be brought in by S to make her capital according to the new profit sharing ratio. So by cash account 27,400 in the column of S. In the case of second partner, that is in the case of Bhavani, we find the highest total in the credit side, it is 62,900, and in the debit side it was 62,000. So we have the balance of 900 in the debit side in case of Bhavani. So he should withdraw rupees 900 to make his capital according to the new profit sharing ratio. So it is withdrawn amount and it is brought in amount, which is adjusted with the cash balance, okay. So to balance CD here represented by balance BT, it is 1,60,000 and 40,000 in case of respective partners. Now see the balance sheet. How we do the balance sheet here? In case of balance sheet, we have three capital: 1 lakh for the first partner, 60,000 for the second partner, and 40,000 for the third partner. Total becomes 2 lakh. It is posted in the second column. In case of Sunday creditor, it was 50,000 minus written off. Minus written off amount is 2,000, so it becomes 48,000. The adjusted amount is 48,000. And outstanding bill for repairs, it is the unrecorded liability. It is recorded now. It is 1,000. Now, in case of plant and machinery, it is the unchanged amount 65,000. In case of furniture, 15,000. We deduct depreciation 1,500. It is 13,500. Investment is appreciated by 4,000, so it becomes 24,000. Stock is undisturbed, so it is 20,000. From Sunday date of 30,000, we deduct bad debt of rupees 2,000, so it becomes 28,000. Cash, we have the note for the cash account, so we let it so. And the accrued investment, accrued interest on investment, it is accrued interest on investment. It means the unrecorded asset, it is rupees 2,000. It is rupees 2,000. So total becomes 2,49,000 in both the side. Now see the cash account. Now see the cash account. We have the opening balance of 15,000. Jamini brings 40,000 as his capital, and the premium for goodwill he brought in 15,000, which is distributed among the partners in the ratio of sacrificing ratio. So total amount is 15,000, and to adjust the capital, Shivani brings 27,400 and Bhavani withdraws 900. Bhavani withdraws 900. So ultimately total cash balance becomes 96,500. So in our balance sheet, the noted amount in case of cash, it is 96,500. So it is put here. So total of both sides is 2,49,000. So in this particular sum, we see how we adjust our capital, our means here partners capital, with the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, thank you.